Today we're going to be drawing Mickey Mouse. Doing a quick pencil, which of course you can't see again, and I promised that wouldn't be the case, but one more week it's the case. And the destabilization button was turned on, which messes up my picture for some reason. So that's the focus and unfocus. Sorry yet again, but here we go. You draw a big circle at the top of the page for his ear. Draw a line down for connecting to his other ear. Another big circle. Well, almost full circles. And then you draw a line down for his cheek from his right ear, and then you draw a line down from his left ear for his eye and his nose, down into his mouth, top part of his mouth. Now his shoulder, his arm, part of his body and the clothes that he's wearing, his two legs, there's his shin down into his shoe. Make two kind of half circles again. Almost everything are circles or half circles for his shoes. That little line indicates where his foot bends, that the shoe gets round there. Now these little kind of spiky things are the secret that makes Mickey look like Mickey. And you draw a smiley face, his two eyes, more circles, half circles, and you connect the nose, and there's Ravioli being cute. The nose is black. Two buttons on his pants.
Art is so fun. Art is so fun.
Ravioli's being real cute. Taking a bath. Kind of plain. Mickey has black ears, so we're making his ears black.
So fun. Art is 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 so fun.
Still coloring him in.
It is so fun. Art.
Ravioli's still being cute.
Art is so fun. Art is so fun. Art is so fun. Art is so fun.
Stretching, trying to get some attention.
So fun. Art
Alright.
is so fun.
Coloring in those spiky things that make Mickey look like Mickey.
Art is so fun. It is so fun. Art is so fun. I said it's so fun.
His arm is black. The top part of his body.
Is so fun.
So we'll color that in black.
Art is so fun. I'm drawing a picture. It's so fun with the magic marker. Art is so fun. Art is so fun. Art is so fun. It is so fun.
This part is black as well. Alright, back to zoomed in. His legs are black. He's a black mouse. Now, I made his feet shoes brown, but I should have made them yellow. That would have looked better. You do what you want. There's many versions of Mickey. Some are just black and white. Now I'm erasing the pencil marks that were left from making my pencil guide. A rough picture of Mickey. Which of course you can't see, so I fast forwarded it, but I'm telling you next week you'll be able to see that part if you want. And that dark part on the foot there will dry later and look like the other brown. I promise. Making his pants red. Probably should have made those buttons yellow, but I left them white, I believe. I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hit the like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to keep watching these videos. And see you next time. Goodbye now.